Hey loves, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this cute messy bun hairstyle using a conical braiding hair that I called. So guys, if you want to see how I achieve this cute ponytail messy bun, please keep on watching. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, so moving on to the hairstyle you saw on my intro. All right, I'm going on to use easier hair wax for the hair. Okay, I didn't use normal gel. I use this edge control. I really love the way this edge control holds my hair, and also it is black in color, so that also helps make my hair to look more darker. All right, you see what I'm saying? When I started applying it on my hair, it makes my hair to look more darker, and I really love the hold. It's really nice. So for now, this is the edge control I've been using in making most of my videos. It has different colors. You have the one in ash container, I have the one in green container, and then this one is the black. I just saw this one the last time I went to the beauty supply store, and I was so happy they have it in black. At least this one you'll not be scared of your hair turning white or anything, because it's just black. All right, and it's just gonna keep the root of your hair dark. So moving on to the hair, I've gone ahead to comb out my hair, and then I'm using an elastic band to tie it up, and after tying it I'll go on to braid my hair. Okay guys, this is what I was trying to explain then. You see how my hair is looking so dark? Like, this is the edge control right here doing its magic. I really love it so much. Like, I can literally use this edge control for anything. Like right now I'm using it for my whole hair. You can see that I'm using it for my whole hair, and it's really nice. It's really made my hair to look more dark, like really dark. Yeah guys, I know like my edges is really thinning. I don't really know what's going on. I don't really know what's happening, but I don't seem to have edges anymore. But I'm thinking of like, trying to make some oil, like, because I've been buying so many stuffs in the market, like it's not really working. So I'm just thinking of making some oil that can be using on my hair. All right. So if I do that, I will put a video on here, and like when I'm starting to use it, and then to see like maybe in a month to see the changes, if it's gonna work on my hair. So there's some things I'm trying to put up together, and yeah guys, I'll keep you guys updated. Once I do it, I'm gonna make a video of it, and then I'm gonna walk you through growing back my edges, because I really need to grow back those edges. Like, I can't believe this is my edges. My hair doesn't used to be like this before, but yeah, I don't know what happened, but yeah, it's fine. So guys, I'll go on to slay those edges. Guys, you know what, no matter how tiny your edges seem to be, no matter how tiny my edges seem to be, I don't care, but I have to swoop it, like I still need to lay it. Because if you do a ponytail hairstyle, or not even only a ponytail hairstyle, if you do any hairstyle and you're not laying your edges, the hair will just look bad. Like, it won't look cute. So guys, no matter how tiny or thin my edges is, I'm still gonna lay it. Like, I'm still gonna swoop right there. Okay guys, so keep on watching.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. Whiteout skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
So when I was done laying my edges, I went ahead to use Got to Be Glue hairspray on it for extra hold. Okay, and also I didn't stop there. I also used ultra set hairspray. All right, all those things I'm using is just to make it to, you know, lay flat and then also hold very well. Okay, because I don't want my hair poking out everywhere. All right, so they're all gonna make it to, lay and just stay put. All right, so afterwards I'm going on to use a hair tie to tie it and allow it to dry. Then I'll come back for the ponytail part.
And now I can't imagine me with anybody else as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky.
Okay guys, so this is what I'm going to be using for my ponytail. It's actually a connected braiding hair extension that I curled using a curling wand. All right, so it's pretty easy to do. We just have to, grab your extension and then you curl it up in a curling wand, dip that in hot water, allow it to stay for some days and then to dry up properly, and then unravel it and you get that cord. That cord is really really beautiful. Okay, so yeah, moving on. I have my elastic band and then I am going to start tying the hair onto the elastic band. Okay, guys, this is a fake ponytail. It's like a drawstring ponytail, like like using an elastic band. Okay, so yeah, I just want something quick and something easy. All right, so guys, this is how I'm gonna be doing it. It's pretty easy. Just grab your elastic band, grab your hair, and then use your hair and tie around the elastic band. Okay, just put it inside and tie it. And when you're tying it, make sure you're bringing it up so it covers the elastic band. All right, so if you watch what I'm doing, it is self-explanatory, it is pretty easy. All right, it's not hard at all. Okay, so I'll just go on to do this and I'll be right back when I'm done with the whole hair. Okay, at least when I get to the amount of hair, the quantity of hair that I need. I'm gonna be right back.
As long as it's for you.
Okay guys, so this is how my hair is looking, so dried up and beautiful. Like, can you see how dark this hair is? Like, yeah, I know I have a dark hair already, but then the edge control sort of contributed. Okay guys, this is not a sponsored video. I just like the edge control and I'm just like, sort of hyping it. Yeah, when I use something nice, something I like talking about it, and I like praising it. So this is really a nice one. Okay, because seriously, for me to be talking about this edge control, I've really struggled with trying to get edge controls that don't turn white or leave white cast on my hair. So this is really a nice one and it's really cheap. Like, when I'm talking about it, it's because it's cheap. All right, there's so many nice edge controls that don't turn white but they are expensive, but this one right here is cheap, it's pretty affordable, and then it is nice, guys. All right, so going on to the ponytail. All right, I just went ahead to pop that bad boy onto my hair, the little bun on my hair, and then tie it up, secure it properly. And then I also sprayed water. Okay, so the water I sprayed on it right now, I added leave-in conditioner into it. So I just put leave-in conditioner and water into a spray bottle, and then I went ahead to spray it, because I want to unravel the coils. Like, it's pretty coiled up, so I want to unravel the coils to get extra volume. All right, to get extra hair, to make it to look fuller a bit. All right, so I'm just going on to do that. And then when I was done, I had to put up the hair together, use a bobby pin, and I use a rubber band first. Okay, and then use a bobby pin to secure that. And then I didn't just want to leave it like this, because if I do, it's really gonna be like extra messy. So I went ahead to use the net. There's this light net that I usually see in maybe pack of hair. Like, let's say you buy a pack of hair, or like, yeah, it's usually in a pack of hair, like they usually use it to wrap wrap up hairs in a pack, like when you buy a pack of hair. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using to tie it up and like let it sit in place. Okay, so guys, here I need like an extra stuff, like dropping, those little cute stuff dropping. I don't just want the ponytail to just be like that, so I'm going out to use, grab piece of the hair and then crochet it like by the sides of the hair so it just drops. And it's kind of cute though, I like the way it looks, yeah. So I'm gonna do that. So guys, if you've stayed with me till this moment and you know you're subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. Okay, also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads because I have loads of it coming. And also don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video, guys. Share this video to support my channel. All right, support this channel, guys. Join the family, support this channel. Let's grow. Okay.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind, as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Alright guys, this is it for this video. I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, but God loves you more. Peace.